Sen from Tupoms. I look after the IT staffing division here. We run on the cloud, which means our operations runs on cloud, and we do recruitment and training. It is imperative that we host this webinar on cloud technologies, and we are inviting your participation here. We will discuss about cloud computing and cloud service providers and cloud development. It is important for you to participate in this webinar to know more about what is happening in the cloud space. Thanks.